One thing about me is I love to bake, and my two favorite things to bake are breads and desserts. So today I use this really gorgeous enamel cast iron Dutch oven that I was gifted to make a vanilla loaf cake. I'm gonna drizzle this bad boy with some honey in just a minute, but I just want to show you this product. So the great thing about enamel cast iron, first of all, cast iron gives you a really great heat retention and it cooks everything so evenly. The enameled part is super easy to clean. You don't need to use anything abrasive to scrub this down, just some soap and water and you're good, okay? The other thing is it is rust resistant. Now, with that being said, you cannot put metal in these because you can scrape that enamel off and then it's not gonna be so rust resistant. You can bake anything from all kinds of artisanal breads to meatloaf to desserts in here, and it's gonna give you this really nice, even cooking experience. So you notice that the top of the cake has a perfectly even and browned color, and that is because of the even cooking from the Dutch oven. So I cooked this about 70 to 80% of the way through, and the last probably 10 or so minutes, I took the top off just to get that nice, really pretty brown color on top. I am very pleased with this product. I wish I had more of them because I love when I make meatloaf, I like to make two at a time. And the top is not flat like the bottom one is. So it does kind of rock around. I don't feel like I could put another meatloaf in here. But this is a really gorgeous ceramic Dutch oven. And look at the beautiful gradient that we have here. So this is like a sage green. It's really pretty. Very sturdy, very heavy. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. If you're interested in getting yourself one of these, I'm going to put the link for this Dutch oven down in the description below. This vanilla sweetbread is so good, you guys, and I drizzled a little bit of honey on it. And if you are interested in this recipe, comment below and I'll give it to you.